Hey guys, we're working on a 2017 Honda CR-V today with a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine. I'm going to show you how to change out your air filter. It's pretty simple. All you need is an 8mm socket, little extension. Here's our air box here. We've got 4 screws that we need to undo. One here, another one here, and 2 in the back. Now you don't need to undo this wiring, it can stay. And I love how easy they make this thing for us. We just literally lift it up a little bit, sneak the air filter out of here. And you'll notice that the air filter does have sort of an open side on one side, and that's going to be located towards the engine. And then the other side is going to be located towards the outside of the vehicle, or the driver's side. So here's the replacement filter that we have. We'll might put a link in the description for one of these. And then it's just as simple as popping this in here. Now is the time that you might want to just stick a vacuum in there and clean out any leaves or debris or anything like that. This one's pretty clean, so we'll leave it. And we just drop this in here. Make sure that it is sitting normally in the air box and that the gasket seems to be sitting in the proper location. And it's just as simple as putting this back on and screwing these down. There's not much to it. Now we don't want to over tighten these. Just enough so that they're down and snug. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Hopefully the video helped. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.